For the Panda, you're going to use 3 260s. I have a white, 2 Onyx Black, and then a 5-inch white round, and that's going to be the belly. All right, so blow them up all about this size. This one just needs a little bit here. This one, the same thing, not too much. And then I have a third one there if you want to use that, but you don't have to, and you'll see in the tutorial. And this one you want to blow up about this big, the 5-inch white round, so it lives the belly. All right, grab that white 260 there, quite a bit left over at the end. And this is going to be the face of the Panda. So make a 1-inch bubble, and you're going to actually do 5 of those back to back. Make sure you twist them around several times, and you're just holding on really tight with that left side. So hold it all in place, make that 4th bubble, and then make your last one. Oh, that came undone, so do that again. All right, so you have 5 bubbles there. And then twist that nozzle in around that last bubble we just made. So you have a ring of 5 bubbles. Now grab that Onyx Black 260. And you're just going to make a small bubble. It's going to be the nose of the Panda bear. Hold that in place, and you're going to push that through the center of that 5 bubble ring. That's the face of the Panda, right there. And now at this point you can pinch twist those ears. So pinch twist right there on the white. And this is very similar to like a teddy bear. So pinch twist right here as well. All right, now make a bubble right there, about 1 inch or so. And then you're actually going to pinch twist that. So hold it all in place and pinch twist it. And then now that next 2 sections, the white and black, you can twist all together right under that pinch twist. All right, we don't need that white balloon anymore, so we'll take that off. Make sure you tie it. All right, so with that black that's hanging out there, we're gonna make the front 2 legs. And for this, I go right about there. So I'll make a second bubble, that's the other legs. Bring that around and twist it all together, right under the head. And for this next step, we're going to be pulling off the rest of that balloon, and you can choose to save it for the back legs, so you're going to have to pull it off and let go where that head is and the front legs. You can tie that in later. So with that balloon you just pulled off, if you want, you can hold on to the air and retie, and this can be the back legs. Or if you want, you can use a whole new balloon or re-blow that up. So that's why I showed you 2 black 260s to begin with. All right, so make sure you retie that. Don't forget to do that. You can just wrap it around a few times and hide it, or tie it. All right, so grab that 5-inch white round balloon, and that you're just going to grab the nozzle and then twist it in right under that pinch twist behind the head. So you want it to be nice and snug, so pull it in nice and tight. Wrap it around a few times. And that's the belly of the Panda. All right, now we'll go back to that balloon we just saved, which you can use that other balloon if you wanted to, if you don't want to have to save it. So we'll take that one and we'll just make some legs that are the same size as the front legs we just made. So here you're just making 2 bubbles. They're going to be side to side. And in this case, I have just enough air to make it the right size. So I'll pull that nozzle through. And I'm going to go ahead and make a knot right there so it locks it in better. Pull that off. All right, so we're going to attach those back legs right there. And the way that we do this is we're going to take the center, the very back center of that round balloon right there, and we're going to get that in between our thumb and the rest of our hand, squeeze nice and tight, and then you're just going to create a small ball that you can twist. And that's going to be the tail of our panda bear, and it's also a good spot we can secure in those back legs, so just pop that through. And then once you've got it through that crease, it's going to hold itself in place. And that's the panda bear body. All right, I'm going to finish it off just by drawing on some eyes. And you guys have just made yourself a panda. Looks good.